Have you ever had a big dream, a new business idea, or a personal goal that you were so excited about you told everyone, and then suddenly, the momentum died? The people you told started doubting you, obstacles appeared out of nowhere, or you simply lost the drive to finish. There is a spiritual reason for this. In the Bible, there's a man named Nehemiah who pulled off the impossible, rebuilding the walls of Jerusalem in just 52 days. But he didn't do it by making an announcement. He did it by keeping a secret. Today, we're looking at the Nehemiah Secret. I'm going to show you why sharing your plans too early can actually sabotage your blessing, and the 3 types of people you must never share your vision with. In Nehemiah chapter 2, we see Nehemiah arriving in Jerusalem. The city is in ruins. But look at what he says in verse 12. I set out during the night with a few others. I had not told anyone what my God had put in my heart to do for Jerusalem. Wait, Nehemiah was there to save the city, yet he told no one. Why? Because Nehemiah understood that a vision from God is like a seed. If you dig it up every day to show people how it's growing, you kill the root. When God puts a plan in your heart, it's for you to steward before it's for the world to see. The first reason you shouldn't tell everyone your plans is what psychologists call social reality. When you tell someone your big goal and they praise you for it, your brain receives a hit of dopamine, the same hit you would get if you had actually finished the goal. You feel satisfied prematurely. You've received the reward of the applause without doing the work. Nehemiah knew that the work was the priority, not the praise. He stayed quiet so his hunger for the finished wall stayed stronger than his hunger for approval. The second reason is protection. As soon as Nehemiah started building, 2 men appeared, Sanballat and Tobiah. They didn't just disagree, they mocked him. They said, if even a fox climbed up on that wall, it would break down. When you share your plans with Sanballats, people who carry a spirit of jealousy or skepticism, their words act as spiritual noise. They plant seeds of doubt that didn't exist before. By the time Nehemiah revealed his plan, he was already working. He was too far along for their words to stop him. So, does this mean you never tell anyone? No. Nehemiah eventually gathered the nobles and the workers, but he waited for the right time. You should only share your plans with 3 groups. The intercessors, those who will pray for the vision, not gossip about it. The experts, people who have built what you are trying to build. The destiny helpers, people whose hands are needed to lift the stones. If you have a dream in your heart right now, take a lesson from Nehemiah. Protect it. Build in the secret place before you reveal it in the public square. Let your results do the talking. If this message spoke to you, comment, I will protect the vision below. It helps the algorithm show this to more people who need this wisdom. And if you want to learn how to build your life on a biblical foundation, make sure to subscribe to Bible Boost Network and hit the bell icon. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.